Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Calculate the tax due using sales and tax rate. We're going to use an if statement. We're going to test if one condition is true, and if it's not, look for the other conditions. Here we have our logical test. Then we're going to check value of true and value of false. We have sales, and we want to check to see what the tax is due on whatever that amount is. We have a tax rate of 16%. It's fixed. Our fixed amount is $350, and our fixed max is $2,000. So anything over $2,000, what happens? Let's take a look here. We have name ranges. We have a limit 386, F6. We have fixed 386, which is going to be F5, and then rate should be tax rate 16%. If B5 here is less than limit 386, limit 386, which is $2,000, then do something. B5 times rates. If the sales is greater than limit 386, we're going to take B5 minus limit 386. 2,400 minus $2,000 times 16% plus 350. Let's go down here. We know this is greater than the limit. So we're going to go to the value if false. We're going to go F9. It's going to be 414. If you can do this, you're going to see we're going to go 2,400 minus $2,000. So 400 times 16% is going to be 16 times 4, 64. 350 plus 64 looks like 14. Got that? This would be 2,800. You go 16 times 16% and then add 350 to it. If condition is met, do something. If not, do something else. We did something else. Over here, your narrative, read it if you need it. Fool around with this, okay? Just play around with these if statements. Throw in an and if you need to and extend this thing. We have a lot more math to look at. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.